Good day, doctor. This is Group 22Axis. We're going to present our project with the mock company 22 Tourism Sendiri Berhad. My name is Trawayin with metric number 271410. The other three members are Yoli Ting with metric number 271141, Ng Hui Chi, metric number 270442, and Siti Munin binti Rahmat with metric number 264217. Let me start the presentation. This project is given by Dr. Fazila, which is to prepare a customer analysis dashboard for the policymaker in this virtual company. We're going to use Tableau Desktop to transform a huge amount of data into interactive visual presentations such as graphs and charts. 22 Tourism Sendiri Berhad is a profitable company which is focusing on providing services in the field of tourism, such as wellness tourism package, which is a new product for the purpose of maintaining and enhancing a healthy lifestyle to our customers. We as data analysts of this company are asked to prepare a data-driven visual report to Mr. Nazri and the marketing team in order to help them to make a better decision on marketing strategies. In the dashboard, there are a few kinds of graphs, including bubble charts, pie charts, heat maps, and etc. Every dashboard has a different color theme for the purpose of not making our audience feel bored when they explore the dashboard. And this is our company logo.
Good day to everyone. My name is Siti Munin binti Rahmat, entry number 26447, and I will be presenting about the overview of the data that we analyze in order to find the customer target to be our main reason of our new product. We analyze the data based on the customer profile. Okay, first of all, we have 1,702 of female customers and 2,489 of male customers who would like to come to our tourism spot. As a result of our observation, we found that the male customers are more likely to come to our place than female customers, which is 2,489 to 1,702. Okay, from 2,489 male customers, they belong to the third age group, which is the age group range of 31 to 40 years old, and mostly unmarried, as you can see. Here are the third age group that a range of age group is 31 to 40, and they get 1,067 of people. Most of them are married, as you can see. The area of marriage is larger than the other area. As you can see, 1,242 are married than the other one. And then, for our observation on their job, we find that most of our main customers work in salary fields such as executive, manager, and senior manager, and we know that they are working as a salaried person. Okay. However, if we look at female customers, most of them are also in 31 to 40 years old, which is in the third age group, and are also married and have the same salary job as the customer, which is working as executive, manager, and senior manager. So, as a conclusion for my overview, I can say roughly that we can say our target customer for the new product is someone who already married and having stable life are mostly to like to try the new product if we make the product based on their preference, such as if we make product based on what the most people at a range age 31 to 40 would like to do, and most of married people can do, and also they are good enough to pay for the product, so we can target them as our target. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Good day, madam. I'm Li Ting, matric number 271141. Now I will present the second dashboard, which shows the characteristic of potential customers. Firstly, let's look into the tree map that is on top of this chart. This chart shows the marital status of customers who take action to purchase our previous tourism package. We can see that the marital status of most customers is married because it occupies the major area of the chart with a number of 380. So we can say that our potential customer is in married status. We have our second chart, which is heat map. This heat map shows the marital status followed by occupation. A deep color indicates the high frequency of customers that have purchased our previous product. The customer who is married and work in a small business or salaried frequently purchase our product. However, the purchase frequency of small business is slightly higher than the salaries. So we can say that our potential customer is married status and work in small business occupation. Our third chart of this dashboard is a bubble chart. This chart presents the customer who have purchased our product preferred which property style of the hotel for each occupation. In each type of customer's occupation, we can see that they commonly prefer 3 property star hotel. So we can say that all the occupations prefer 3-star hotel. In summary, the customer who is married and works in a small business occupation could be our potential customers. The 3-star hotel is a popular choice in all types of customers' occupation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Next, I will continue to present the characteristic of potential customer. In this story, we use the group bar chart to visualize the average money income for every occupation so that we can compare the average money income easily. Next, highlighted table is used to show the number of customers who had been purchased before, followed by occupation and destination. Because through the highlighted table, we can quickly identify the highest and the lowest number of customers who purchased the previous package. And the last one is the bubble chart, which shows the number of purchase in each of the product page, so that the audience can easily visualize the number of purchase of product page through the color and the size of the bubbles. So first, from the group bar chart, among the 5 destinations, we can see that VP shows the highest average of money income, followed by AVP, senior manager, manager, and executive. Next, by selecting each of the occupation in the highlighted table, we can further explore the number of customers who purchased the package before. So from the highlighted table, we found that executive of all the occupation have the highest number of purchasing in the previous product, which is 1 in freelancer, 34 in large business, 209 in salaried, and 167 in small business. And yet, by selecting the destination in the highlighted table, we can observe that every single destination bias toward a particular product, which is super deluxe for AVP, basic product for executive, deluxe product for manager, standard product for senior manager, and king product for VP. So one of the possible explanation is the buying pattern of the customer are greatly influenced by their average monthly income. Again, since the merit group shows the highest number of purchase in the previous story, and majority of them are from small business, therefore we are more focused on small business with executive destination, which shows 18,988 ringgit and 60 cents as their average money income, since the executive destination in small business has the highest number of purchasing in the previous product, which is 167. So that's all for my part. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
In conclusion, each dashboard had answered our objectives. The first dashboard in the story is the overview of the dataset, which helps us to look through the overall customer data, which had been collected before and transforms into graphs and charts, categorized with the gender, age group, marital status, occupation, and designation. The second and the third dashboards in the story are to help us to determine the characteristics of the potential customers. As Li Ting mentioned, we can observe by using the dashboard that our characteristics of potential customer groups who are getting married and working in small business. And this group of people are more interested in the package with 3-star properties. Furthermore, in Hui Chi's explanation, we can know that the executive in small business is one of the characteristics of our potential customer. And we observe the average monthly income of executives in small business. That's all for our presentations. Thank you.